1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz convertible. Absolutely beautiful body style. And this one's finished off in black cherry metallic paint with base coat, clear coat, a two-tone kind of wine and burgundy interior that's been redone. Underneath the hood, 365 that's rebuilt. V8 power, that's paired up with an automatic transmission, also has been rebuilt. Power steering, power brakes. AC car, I did notice the AC belt was not connected, so AC in-op, announcing that. You can see that paint, nice shine to it. And that really makes this chrome, that iconic front end pop. Of course, the Dagmars, if you want to put a little comment down below, go ahead and comment on the Dagmars. How'd that name come about? And what exactly about that front end was the Dagmar? All right, check out the still pictures. See the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Be able to see it with the top up, top down, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Wide white wall radials. Take a look at the polished wheels. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. The long panels from the front fenders through the door into the rear quarters. We will start this car up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I'll also show you the function of the power top. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see that interior also shows very well. Wine-colored top. And again, we're going to put that up in just a bit. Of course, back to the rear. More bright work. 57 wings. The trunk does have the auto close down, I guess, if you will, and that is working. The power trunk closure, you just push it far enough to get it started and it takes it the rest of the way. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. This is the 424th Eldorado Biarritz convertible produced. I believe 1,800 were produced in 1957, so not a lot of these built, and this one does have newer exhaust, newer gas tank, new front shocks, new rear wheel cylinders, also power windows. So we take a look at the chrome, the paint down the driver's side. If you like this vintage and or era of Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor. All right, look at that door panel. Color coded to match the seat. And again, you can see the two-tone seat, how that's been redone. Absolutely gorgeous interior. Let's fire it up, see how it runs. Take a peek underneath the hood. Look at even the chrome and the bright work up on the dash. The dash itself does have an aftermarket retro sound style radio to it. Power windows. Sounds pretty good. Again, 365 that has been rebuilt. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. And how about up to the front so we can check out this engine bay. I'm going to go ahead and pause it a second. Let me get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. Then we'll see how that top works and check out the condition of that. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. built-in power steering, power brakes. AC compressor I mentioned earlier. There's a battery disconnect here for in between drives, maybe while it's in storage. Smooth runner, no doubt about that. All right, let me get this hood buttoned up. I'll get the tripod set up, and let's check out the function of this convertible top. It is a power top. Let's take a look. And convertible top up. So burgundy cloth top, or fabric, I guess, if you will. Nice quality too, you can tell by the feel and look of it. Nice tight fit above the windshield, rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fits also. Top looks practically new. No rips, tears, holes, really any discoloration, wrinkles. That is a nice shape. Clear rear window. What around here on the passenger side? Looks just as good. Again, side window or side glass rolled up. Yes, so very nice top. All right. Tell you what, let's check it out going back down. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it dries out. Let's check out the power top going down.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1957 Cadillac Eldorado. This car is a convertible. We do have the top up today. One of the most amazingly styled Cadillacs. I mean, there are so many in the late 50s that looked great, but this is definitely one of them in such a great color. Accelerates nicely, runs very smoothly. Our steering wheel appears cocked to the left a little. That does not affect performance. Our temperature gauge is just a little under a quarter of the way up, maybe still warming up. The fuel gauge is reading almost empty. typical wind noise as you might expect. Not bad, honestly. It's a little breezy out today, and we're doing 55 miles an hour, and it's a nice, quiet ride, but for a little bit of wind noise as you would expect. There is a retro sound style radio mounted in the dash. This interior is just beautiful. The seats, vinyl bench. Very comfortable, matching that exterior color very well. This car corners the way it should. Luxurious in the corners, easy to steer. Power steering and power brakes, of course, from Cadillac. Again, accelerates nicely. The carpet looks great. The headliner, convertible top in great condition. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.